Welcome students on online class Lal Bahadur Shastri Junior College, Pattur. In Saturday's period, we have seen structure of atom and nuclei. We see some points: radius, velocity. Radius for first orbit is r1 is equal to 0.53 angstrom unit, but in book it is given as nanometer. So we can also shift the decimal here. So r1 is equal to 0.053 into 10 to the power 1 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So r1 radius for first orbit in Bohr theory of hydrogen atom will also written as 0.053 nanometer. Okay, see here, radius r is equal to epsilon 0 h square upon pi m e square bracket into n square. That is the formula for radius of orbit. This formula bracket term is constant, so it can be written as r is equal to a0 n square, where a0 having value epsilon 0 h square upon pi me square. This epsilon 0 h square upon pi me square for first orbit n equal to 1, so it has result 0.053 nanometer or 0.53 angstrom unit, which may be taken here. So we can also find out radius for different orbits. See here, for second orbit, n is given as 2 or n2 is given as 2. If a question is asked, find the radius for second orbit in Bohr's theory of, find a radius of second orbit in Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom. If radius of first orbit in Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom is 0.053 nanometer or 0.53 angstrom unit, then we solve such problem will be data will given, that is n1 equal to 1 if r1 is equal to 0.53 angstrom unit, but n2 is equal to 2 and we want to find radius for second orbit. Okay, see here, we know radius of orbit in Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom is directly proportional to n square, means radius is equal to a0 n square, where a0 is constant called as Bohr's radius in first orbit or ground state. We also say that r1 is equal to a0 n1 square, whereas r2 is equal to a0 n2 square. Okay, if we put the value here or if we divide both equation like r2 upon r1 is equal to a0 n2 square upon a0 n1 square. What happens? a0 get cancelled. r2 upon r1 is equal to n2 upon n1 bracket square, or R2 is equal to R1 multiplied by n2 upon n1 brackets. If we substitute the values here, for R1 0.53 angstrom unit multiplied by, for N2 2, N1 1 bracket square, it will be 0.53 angstrom unit into 4. If we can multiply 4 into 0.53, so answer will be 4 into 3, that is 12, 1 is remaining, 4 into 5, that is 20, 20 and 1, it is 21, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, so decimal point is here. So your answer for second orbit will be 2.12 angstrom unit. From these two problems, we can say that if orbit will be increased, means orbit is second, orbit is third, orbit is fourth, orbit is 5, then radius will also increase. So we say that radius of orbit in Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom is directly proportional to square of principal quantum number. So we can also find for third orbit, for fourth orbit, for fifth orbit. Means students, you can solve these examples for second orbit, for third orbit, for fourth orbit, for fifth orbit. If question is asked such that radius of Bohr's orbit in ground state, means first orbit, is 0.053 nanometer. Okay, and question will be find second, third, fourth radius of second, third, fourth orbit. So you can solve here radius for first orbit, second, so 2, 1. For third, whatever 0.053 angstrom multiplied by third square upon 1. 3 square, that is 9. 9 into 0.053 nanometer. If we multiply, you get answer. For fourth orbit, N2 is 4, N1 is 1. So it becomes 4 to the square, that is 1, 6 or 16. So 0.053 nanometer multiplied by 16. You get answer. For fifth orbit, that is N5 is 5. 5 square means 25. So your answer will be R5 is equal to 0.053 multiplied by 25. You get answer. Means answer will be increasing order. Radius will be increases. Okay, but second expression will be seen, that is velocity of electron in Bohr's orbit or Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom. In that case, we know that formula for velocity will be v is equal to e square upon 2 epsilon 0 h multiplied by 1 upon n. Using this formula, we can find out velocity of electron in first orbit. So here we know that if we write the question, velocity of electron in ground state or first orbit of electron in Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom, then we know that data will be charge of electron will be 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90 coulomb. Epsilon 0, it will be 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. and Planck's constant h will be 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34. And for first orbit or ground state, n is 1 and we want to find v1 is how many. So here, if we substitute the values, v1 is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 bracket square upon 2 into 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by 1 upon 1. So here we can write 1.6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 and 2, their multiplication will be minus 38 divided by 2 multiplied by 8.85 multiplied by 6.63 multiplied by minus 12 and minus 34, it is minus 46. If minus 46 is taken as in numerator, so your answer will be 1.6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 38 into 10 to the power 46 divided by 2 into 8.85 into 6.63. So here v1 is equal to 1.6 into 1.6 divided by 2 into 8.85 into 6.63 into 10 to the power 8. If we can solve using logarithmic table, so here numerator and denominator will be there. So numerator having 2 values, denominator having 3 values. Before decimal point digit is 1. So here numerator having characteristics 0 point plus here characteristics for denominator 0 point. Multiplication is there, so we can add. If we can take their log, so here log will be for 16, log will be 2041, log will be 2041. If we add there 2804 0.1, and here for 20 log will be 0.3010. For 88 in 5, so here log will be 0.9469, and 66 in 3, it will be 8512. Here addition will be 1, here addition will be 9, 2.0991. If we can subtract 2.0991, whatever their subtraction will be 1, 9, 0, 3 minus 2. If we take its antilog, and antilog will be v1 is equal to 2.037 into 10 to the power, here 10 to the power minus 2 into 10 to the power 8. Which 8? Here 8 will be there. So from 8, 2 is remaining. So 2.037 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. So here velocity of electron in Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom, it will be v1 is equal to 2.037 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. For ground state velocity